demi untuk negara, melawan siapakah musuh durjana. Tak kira
Are you okay?
Yeah, I think I'm fine.
This operation is conducted under Section 31 of Dangerous Drug Act 1952. Intelligence report that there are drug trafficking activities happening in this premise.
Yes, sir. Both are two female occupants, both are Malaysian citizens.
Proceed. No evidence. What happened?
I don't know. Police! Open the door! Don't move, police!
What is happening, officer? We are conducting a lawful search under Dangerous Drugs Act.
Huh? Drugs?
Sergeant, I found money.
I found sale drugs and digital scale.
This substance is believed to be methamphetamine. This is exceeding Section 37 of TDA.
Do you know about this item?
No, Sergeant. This bag belongs to Shah.
No, I don't know anything about that, Sergeant.
Both of you are under arrest. Cordina, the drugs were found in a shared apartment. Under Section 37, Subsection D of Dangerous Drug Acts, possession creates a presumption of trafficking. But I didn't know the bag contained drugs. I never opened it. Knowledge is required under Section 12, but the law places the burden on you. Shall let's lock the bag. I thought it was her beauty supplement.
Accused Shah binti Adi is charged under Section 39B of the Dangerous Drug Act 1952 for trafficking methamphetamine. Accused Fardina binti Helmi is charged jointly under Section 34 of Penal Code for common intention.
The prosecution submits that both accused had control over the premises, fulfilling the element of possession.
Call your first witness.
The drugs were found inside a bag near Wadina study table.
Was the bag locked?
No, Your Honor.
Who is the owner of the bag?
It was Shah's bag, Your Honor.
Call accused Shah. Shah, is it true that the bag is yours?
Yes, Your Honor. The bag and the drugs are mine. I used Wadina's room without her knowledge.
Under Section 39B of Dangerous Drug Act, trafficking is punishable by death or life imprisonment. Wadina was successfully rebutted the statutory presumption under Section 37 of Dangerous Drug Act. There is no evidence of mens rea or common intention under Section 34 of the Penal Code. Wadina is acquitted and discharged. Shah is found guilty.
Acts 1952. They are intelligence report. They are What's up? What's up?
我们今生注。